Okay, should we rinse it away?
Sure.
You know what? I'm going to give you the pleasure of that. That is so much better, isn't it?
It truly is.
The judges' tails are wagging. The shower runs away with the Spotless Award. See Spot run.
You've done really well. Thank you so much.
You
worked
worked
very
jolly
hard.
hard, you know.
Oh, thank
so
you.
now you see, we're going to finish the house and we are going to mind the dogs.
What?
You are?
Yes, yes. So you go and have some romance. Go along.
Thank
We're
you.
out of
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
There's so much cleaning to
Oh, I'm
do.
encouraging
for heaven's
romance.
sake.
Come on, come on.
To make this divine domicile tops in our cleaning competition, everyone's going to have to work like a dog. Well, almost everyone.
Hey, Kim, it's
Yeah.
good to get the dogs cleaned, isn't it? I mean, no point in cleaning that house and the dogs being dirty.
No,
is
it's
it?
hard work. We're getting through it, aren't we? Oh, it is gorgeous.
Is puppy love possible for this pair?
There's no passion on this bed this evening. There's something wrong with both of you. See a doctor.
And will this home stay pedigree perfect? Kim and Aggie have come to the aid of dog rescuers Neil and Jackie, whose crazy canines have put a leash on their love life.
Night, baby.
Have they gotten a leg up on this lair?
Come on now. Are you ready for this?
Go, you know it.
Oh, you're going to like
Close
this.
your eyes.
Come on, come on, guys.
Okay.
You in. Open the eyes.
Oh my gosh.
The living room was a den of dander. Now this puppy's sitting pretty.
Well, this is... Oh,
No.
can I hug you?
Yes.
Oh, yours too.
Fresh
It's
smell.
great.
Fresh smell.
What do you think, Neil?
It's gorgeous. There is night and day. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. No, it's great to be able to do that for you. It really is.
Good.
I think you should be together.
Ooh, thank you. It's like, oh, honey, look. Ooh.
We're not ones for... Are we?
Well, well, you can be
Aggie,
you can
Aggie,
be the
could you look away,
passion
please?
godmothers. How's that? The godmothers of passion. Would that work?
That'll do me.
No, I'm sure.
It has been said, dear. I get lots of letters, you know.
I bet you get some letters.
Now, let's take you another place. Let's take you to the next room to see. Come on.
Come on.
This is just the start, I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh.
The cluttered kitchen was a real stomach turner. Today, this sparkling spot is a tasty treat.
Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
How clear is this kitchen?
This is incredible.
This is our kitchen. Oh, look at the counters, how clean they are.
Clean, clear, the floor is lovely and clean.
Oh, the candles.
Dough.
That's the
Yes.
stove.
Yep.
Completely degreased.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the color of our floor.
It's called washing it, dear.
Hark at the microwave.
Oh my
Well, now, our gentleman here did
That's
it
right.
Oh, you learned
What a
that
wonderful
tip.
job he
Wow,
did.
Very
Yep.
good.
I tell you something, you walk in here, you wouldn't recognise this kitchen, would you?
I
No.
don't.
Or the smell of it. It smells
From
terrible
head to
for her.
toe. But look, all the working tops you've got.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Lovely. It's perfect, isn't it?
I just might cook.
Right.
And there's still more to see.
All right.
Let's
Come on.
The bedroom was a total turn-off. But tonight, these frisky folks can cuddle in comfort.
Really going to please you.
This is unbelievable.
How,
I'm actually tearing up. This is beautiful.
how sumptuous does that bed look?
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, see, no tears from me. This is so great. Oh my goodness, how can we not keep
What do
it
you
like
think?
this?
Oh, it's incredible.
This is a very...
The difference. There was trails in here before. Now.
I can't even. I can't give you this. Ooh, I like that.
Just got to keep the dogs out.
Oh, they're out.
There's no passion on this bed this evening. There's something wrong with both of you. See a doctor. I mean, this room is beautiful. When you think of what it was like,
I don't want to.
it's beautiful,
I don't
isn't
want
it?
to.
It's like out of a magazine. Now, truthfully, you know it is.
It is.
The bathroom was a disheveled dump. Now, it's the top dog.
Oh, Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look, oh, this is always my sanctuary. Oh, look. Oh, we're not going to be leaving this room.
It was so disgusting before and all cluttered up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so.
And finally, a puppy playground that puts the wow into bow wow.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, baby dog.
Oh my god, this is.
Come on, darling. They're very.
Oh, this is Hollywood for dogs. I love it. Oh, is Butter happy or what?
Oh, yeah, look at her. She's already making herself
look
comfortable.
at you.
Oh, look.
What's that? Yes.
The happy hounds have spoken. This once dirty doghouse is now best in show.
How do you find words to say thank you for this?
Thank you.
Thank you very
It's
much.
not enough, but it is. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. This is.
You enjoy now.
This is
really.
incredible.
And now, before we go, one more thing we've got for you.
Yes.
This is your little chore pile here. Each day, each of you has to pick up a chore. Or windows. And when it's done, you can put it into this one. And when it's full, then you just transfer back to the other basket. How about that?
I like that one.
You like this one?
Oh, he likes the day.
How did we guess that would be your
I
favorite?
love this.
Thank you very much.
And you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Maggie. Oh, mwah. Thank you so much.
Care.
So we're all done.
Come on, Axel.
Thanks again, ladies. Thank you.
But remember,
Keep it clean!
Bye.
2 weeks have passed. Have Kim and Aggie taught these two a few new tricks? The living room's neat, with nary a dog hair in sight.
The house looks wonderful. It's just so much nicer. We can really just come in and relax. I love it. Makes life easy.
The house is great. It's organized, it's clean, it's comfortable. And that's the bottom line. We can go in, sit down, not worry about anything.
They've sure become well-trained in the kitchen.
We both get up together, go to work about the same time, so we clean up as we go. It is not an issue any longer.
The bedroom remains one sexy beast. Looks like they're keeping the bathroom neatly groomed. And thanks to Kim and Aggie, this puppy palace gets a barking ovation.
Kim and Aggie, oh, come over anytime. You will never be disappointed.
Thanks very much. You changed our house, you changed our lives. We appreciate it. And Kim, Mikey misses you.